Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what the chatbot needs: your curated examples, tooling, and access. First, gather representative training dialogues and intents so the model learns context. Next, pick a model and environment: hosted API for speed, local LLM for control, and provision storage and compute. Once done, secure API keys and install libraries like transformers or the SDK you prefer. Make sure to create a simple project structure and a versioned sample dataset so you can iterate quickly. Now you implement the pipeline that turns user input into responses. First, preprocess and normalize text, then build tokenization and prompt templates that guide the model. This improves reliability. Next, wire inference with batching, appropriate temperature, and response length limits so outputs stay on task. Then integrate session-level memory and a simple intent classifier for routing. This preserves context across turns. Once this core runs, add logging and metrics so you can measure latency, quality, and failure modes. Finish by deploying to staging and validating real flows with test users. Deploy with a CI pipeline and run load and edge case tests. Monitor latency, error rates, and unusual response patterns. Once stable, roll out gradually, measure user satisfaction, and tune prompts or retrain on failure cases. Make sure to include a rollback plan and feature flags so you can revert quickly. Troubleshooting tip: if responses go off topic, reduce temperature, constrain prompts with explicit instructions, and replay failing examples to retrain or refine prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.